Let's discuss about the Apex triggers. An Apex trigger is a block of code that automatically runs before or after a record is created, updated, deleted, or restored in Salesforce. Think of a trigger as a rule that says, when this happens, do that. For example, if a new account is created, a trigger can automatically send a welcome message or assign the contact to a default sales rep. When do we use trigger? Triggers are helpful when you want to automate business process. You need to validate or manipulate data when user interact with records. You want to enforce custom rules beyond what standard Salesforce automation can handle, like validation rule or workflow rules. This is the basic syntax of trigger. Trigger name or object name that you have to write the event before or after. Then the trigger logic return here. This is the example. Trigger on account before insert. For the account, when new account is created, it adds hyphen verified at the end of the account name. Okay, let's do this example in a developer console. Just copy this from here. You- How to write trigger? Just click on File, New, and click on Apex Triggers. Write the name of the trigger and the object of Salesforce. Save and okay, let's say this trigger worked or not. Just go to an setup and click on accounts. Click on new trigger test. Click on save. Yes, this trigger is working properly. This is how it works. Now move forward to the examples of the triggers. When a new account is created, set the lead source field to web if it's empty. Okay, this is code. You just have to copy this and paste it on a this side. So this is the code of our first example to set default lead source on contact. When new contact is created, the lead source field is empty, set it to web. Search on contact. Click on new. This is the lead source. We will keep it empty. Save. Details. Save. This is what. The second example is prevent deletion of important records. Use cases don't allow deletion of account records with the type customer. The trigger runs before an account is deleted. It checks if the type of the account is customer. If yes, it blocks the deletion and shows an error to the user. Okay, let's do it on a Salesforce developer console. So this is the code in developer console. Let's check. It works or not. Okay, let's try to delete this account. And this account type is customer. You cannot delete customer accounts. This trigger runs properly. Let's move on to the third one. Auto update a field on update. Use case. When a case is updated, automatically change the status to in progress if it's currently new. This trigger runs before a case is updated. It checks if the previous status was new. If yes, it automatically changes the status to in progress. So I've just write the code in developer console. Let's do it on practical and Salesforce org. Let's update the case, add account, save. See, this trigger is work.